Welcome to WNJ. I am Sachin Vadbude and today we will explore the WNJ facilities. For our customers, it's very interesting to see the inside, our office center, our machining line and our production line. So let's go. Here is our welcoming lobby where we greet our clients and partners. It is designed in such a beautiful way, everyone feels very comfortable. This is our exhibition hall where we proudly showcase a varieties of spring samples. We also specialize in customer solution as per our customers' need. Additionally, we offer comprehensive production line for the both cold coiling and hot coiling. This is our office center where our dedicated teams working so hard to provide the solutions for the customers after sales. Now let's move to our machining center. Here advanced technology meet skilled craftsmanship and to create high precision components. Finally, we arrived at our production floor. This is where our product come to life with a focus on quality control and time delivery. Thank you for joining us, and we are assuring you we provide best quality machines as well as best quality of service, and we're looking forward to meet you.